Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add collaboration on Instagram post after posting, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application. So click on the Instagram mobile application here. Then you have to go to the profile section, which is on bottom right side corner. So click on this, and after that you have to select the post. So for example, you can see in front of you there is a one post, right? So I will click here. Then you have to click on the three dots, which is on top right side corner. So click on the three dots here and you will see the option of edit, right? So just click on the edit, and after that you can edit everything here. You can edit the caption, you can edit the post, and you can even delete your post, right? But we have to add collaboration on Instagram post. On the here you can see that there is an option add paid partnership label, right? So click on the add paid partnership label, and after that just turn it on. And here after turning it on, you will get a new option, that is a brand partner. So click on the brand partner, and here you have to select that ID with whom you want to collaborate, right? So let's say I just write here paper, and for example just write, and I will click on the add and click on the arrow button, which is on top right side corner. Okay, and after that click on the tick mark, which is on top right side corner. And this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video and subscribe our channel.